today we've got a McDonald's. This one is $14 going 4.5 miles. Sounds pretty juicy, but all that's on my mind is what is going to be wrong with this order to make it such a high-paying order.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Morning.
Morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, restaurant was not closed, and I was like second in line. Order was ready for me as soon as I pulled up to the window. This is not a hand to customer, so everything is looking good so far. Easy drop off, so now I just gotta wait for an hour to see if I got tip baited. If not, then that was genuinely a really good order. And of course we're doing earn by time as well. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is gonna be very, very awful. This is a Jack in the Box going 10 miles across the river. I'll never understand how there's not like any restaurants closer to you. Like, I know it's early, but Jack in the Box just cannot be your only good option. I don't believe it.
Your destination is on the right.
Literally 1 cent tip. That's really generous of you. Total for that was $8. That had to be one of the worst orders I've ever done. Definitely up there. If I'm lucky to get the full tip on that first order though, technically we should still be on pace. Just got the next order. This is Chick-fil-A going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8 and change. That's more like it. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $11 going 5 miles, 5 items. Haven't made it to the store yet, but they're giving me an add-on order. This one is an additional $9 going 3 miles. I think it's at 3 items. Do you know if you have more of these coming out?
How many you need?
Just one more than that one.
It will take me 5 minutes.
Yeah, I got some more stuff to grab.
5 minutes or less. Let me just throw.
Okay, let me run around. I still got more stuff to grab, so I'll be back.
Yeah. Sorry, I had to get my fruit out.
You're all good.
Here, give me that one. These are fresh.
Okay.
Then the dates match up. So you're shopping for somebody, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way the dates will match up.
Okay, thank you. Hello. There you go.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one is going 4 miles. Only 1 item, so might be a no tip.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I was very wrong actually. Total for that order was $9. And we just got the next one. This is Burger King going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $7 and change. That one was pretty good too. Next up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. This one, I believe it said was going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for those two was $10 and change. Not bad. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Starbucks and Nectar Juice Bar. This is $10 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Finally got the next order. This is El Jefe Birria and Tacos going 6.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No tip on that one. Glad I got to see them face to face though. Total was like $5 and change. Next order up, we've got a Krispy Kreme. This one is going 7 miles. Thank you. You as well.
Yes, that's me.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Have a great morning.
Of course, no tip on that one, because why would there be? Current time is 10:38. Total, we ended up with 101, or 102, I think. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.